Hello everyone, welcome to my English teaching channel. In today's lesson, I want to teach you how to follow the heart healthy eating pattern and what foods you should consider eating more to maintain a healthy heart and prevent heart disease in the long term. So let's have a look. Firstly, try to eat plenty of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Fruits and vegetables are some of the best foods for your heart, but most Australians aren't eating enough. These foods contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, as well as fiber and antioxidants, and have been shown to help prevent heart disease. Whole grains are those foods like brown rice, whole wheat, oats, and barley. Now, whole grains are full of fiber and can help lower down your low density cholesterol in your body, which further protect your heart health. The reason is that low density cholesterol, once accumulated more in your blood, could block your blood vessel and then further trigger the heart problem. So when you eat more whole grains, there's a less chance for your blood vessel to get blocked, because the level of cholesterol, especially the low density cholesterol, will be reduced, right? So instead of eating white bread and white rice, try to eat more brown bread and brown rice, which contains whole grains. Now, secondly, include a variety of healthy protein-rich foods. So some protein-rich foods are better choices for the heart. The best options are those plant-based proteins like beans, chickpeas, lentils, nuts, seeds, as well as fish and seafood. Now, these foods have been shown to reduce your risk of developing heart disease. So try to eat more beans, nuts, and seeds, and also the fish like salmon and tuna, and some other type of the seafood, right? Because especially fish and beans, these foods are rich in protein but contain less unhealthy fat. Fish also contains good amount of omega-3, which is very beneficial for your brain health and heart health as well, right? Try to reduce the amount of red meat such as beef and pork in your diet. It's best to limit the red meats to 1 to 3 meals per week, because research shows the red meats is associated with an increased risk of heart disease, right? So instead of eating red meats, you can try to eat more white meats such as chicken, right? And duck, so the white meats are those poultries, which contains less unhealthy fat. However, red meats like beef and pork contains more unhealthy fat and could increase your risk of heart condition, right? Next thing is try to reduce salt in your foods, because if you consume a large amount of salt in your diet, this salt could increase your blood pressure. And once your blood pressure is increased, the blood pressure could damage your blood vessel and then further trigger the heart problems. So eat less amount of salt in your daily diet. Now, next thing is include more healthy fats and healthy oils. Now, we know that we don't want to eat too much fat in our daily meal. However, not all the fats are unhealthy. There are some foods that contain healthy fats and oil that we should consider more. So, choose the foods with high amount of healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and use those healthy oils, especially olive oil, to cook your dish. Some other healthy oils include canola oil, sunflower oil, and peanut oils, right? So use healthy oil to cook the dish, because this healthy oil could help to lower down the low density cholesterol in your blood and further prevent heart disease, right? And the last thing is that try to eat less processed food, but eat more fresh fruits, veggies, and fresh foods, right? So, but eat less processed food, because processed food normally contains higher amount of salt and also contains some additives that could be harmful for your health. All right, so eat less cake, biscuits, pastries. Eat less chocolate. But you can eat more dark chocolate, because dark chocolate is actually good for your health. Yeah, but not the normal brown chocolate, right? And also eat less chips, because chips contains high amount of salt and oil as well. So try to eat less takeaway foods and less processed food. Also, what drinks you should drink more. Now, you need to consider drinking more tea, right? Like green tea and black tea, because green tea and black teas, they contain higher amount of antioxidants, which are beneficial for your heart. But you should drink less soft drinks and drink less alcohol, definitely, right? So quick alcohol, also quit smoking, quit those bad habits, but try to consume healthy drinks as well, right? So these are some tips for you to maintain a healthy heart. I hope you can understand now, what foods that you should eat more to prevent heart disease in the long run. Thank you very much for listening.